This is part 2 of building the studio.
We even had some guests come and stay with us, and I got to do a reveal last night.
We are going to do a reveal in this video, but you'll have to stick around to the end. We got this beautiful light installed that my husband found for 35 bucks. It's an LED light. It's a beautiful circle mirror. The Costco sink will be hooked up. We'll have some hot and cold water. We got the hot water tank in. I know that's not as exciting, but it is to have hot water.
Looks pretty awesome down here. I don't know, I'm happy with our progress. Come check it out.
I like how I end up taking off the tape and then leaving it for my husband to put up. I give him kudos because he was able to thrift these all. And I was so impressed that he got them for 20 bucks. And he got 4 of them and they fit perfectly. Like perfectly. How do you manifest that? Only 3 more blinds and he'll be finished all of these.
For anyone who's curious and wants to see the teak side, here we go. I'm gonna walk backwards. Ta-da! Look how clean and shiny it is in here. I added a water jug, hydration. He got a TV mount. You see the man cave coming together. Got the sofa. Found these blinds at the thrift store. There is his hockey jersey. He's the captain of the hockey team. And his business. As you can see, I've continued the teak all the way around the ledge. And the surprise Airbnb room. So sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul.
I just wanted to feature Kenzie for a moment. She's always hanging out with us. I noticed that hooking up the water felt like a really big milestone for us. We've never had water in the basement. I decided to hang out with him and do some journaling while he was working on some plumbing.
Courtesy of a work reno, we got a free toilet.
Apparently, toilets are super heavy and not too fun to hook up. This took us much longer. I'm so glad that he stuck it out, and we added these little wood pieces to fill in the gaps where the toilet would sit.
All right, this is the reveal of the bathroom. Okay, follow me.
Kenzie and I are gonna come and show you, right? Let's go.
All right, hold your breath. Look at this. Awesome LED mirror. It has heating. It has the special lights.
Trim, the vanity, the toilet, the mirror all came about in the last week. It's cool to see it come together like that. Yeah, this has been 4 years in the making. It works. Look at it. No leaks yet. I'm gonna say no leaks. This thing works. Look at it. It's freaking. It just works. Put a little shelf right here. Even the trim is just cedar that we got from Mom and Pop's house in the backyard. Sanded it down, put a little bit of varnish on it. It's good to go. Even the fan. Man. Works. We're gonna put a light in the middle of the room, but I think this glow right here looks nice. Let's just leave that.
Ceiling.
What a score last minute on that as well. Snap clip system, baby. Yep, Sun City Liquidations. Go talk to Nick. He's our homie. The next room is gonna be here. I think we could do this whole room. I don't know how long it'll take, but we'll give it a shot.
So here we go. I'm moving all the drop ceiling that we picked up. Hit subscribe for part 3, and thanks for watching.
We have a plumber!
Part time.